Yo, what up, guys? I'm with Thousand Sunny right now, and we were going to analyze the Shiba Inu coin, crypto coin. Yay! Si Thousand Sunny, dito lang sa tabi natin yan. Upo. So let's get into it. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. And for this video, we're going to analyze the Shiba Inu. A special shout out to Mac Key. This video is for you. And shout out to Sir Noel Idol. Shout out. And then let's start. This is CoinMarketCap website. This is a website called CoinMarketCap. This site, we can analyze the crypto coin and all other crypto coin. You can see the price, the market cap, the volume. So Shiba Inu right now is 0.002426. In ana kabrato ang Shiba Inu. Ganyan kamura yung Shiba Inu ngayon. Down Shiba Inu is down 4.26%. And then Shiba Inu's market cap is hundreds, thousand, million, 14 billion, and is now currently at number 11 spot, ranked number 11 in all crypto in correlation of market cap. Shiba Inu is number 11, and in volume, 24 hours volume, Shiba Inu is 56% up and is currently having a volume of 436 million, and it's ranked number 17 on its volume. So circulating supply, I think it's trillion, 589 trillion, and total supply is 589. And what else? They have a Twitter account, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, website, white paper. If you want to read the white paper of Shiba, just check it out at CoinMarketCap. And then what else? We will be analyzing the chart after this one. Okay? So what else about Shiba Inu about? Okay. About Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a decentralized community led currency held by millions across the globe. Since late 2020, the Ethereum-based SHIB coin. Oh yeah. Shiba Inu coin was created anonymously in August 2020 under the Ryushi says about himself he is a nobody and not important, that the efforts to unmask his identity. This is a meme coin, quickly gained speed and value as a community of investors was drawn in the cute charm of coin paired with headlines, tweets from personalities like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. Since release, SHIB now trades on ecosystem proprietary DEX SHIB swap. Maybe that's all. And then let's go to the chart. Chart. By Mickey. Musta bay? Chart Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu last price niya noong May 2021 and weekly candle, the all-time low of Shiba Inu is at 0.0000510 and the all-time high, hindi pa nga nagdollar tong Shiba Inu, no? All-time high is at 0.008854. Meron akong kwento tungkol dito sa Shiba Inu. Itong Shiba Inu na to, na discover namin ito nung late mga, I think ganyan nga, mga 2021 o mga September 2021, ganyan, dito banda, mga dito. Bumili kami nito, ng coin na to. Yung kasamahan ko, shout out pala ni Sir MDR, yung mentor ko, pinakamagaling na trader na nakilala ko, Sir MDR. Nakabili kami somewhere on September 2021, dito banda. Yung ininvest ko nito is 1,000 pesos. Only 1,000 pesos. And then, after how many months, nagpump yung Shiba kasi dahil din ni Tito Elon Musk, nag-tweet siya ng I have a dog named Shiba. And then, yung lahat ng tao nakagulo na sa Twitter, tapos nagbilihan na ng Shiba, lahat. Tapos ito tingnan nyo yung chart. Nag-pump, grabe yung pump. Ilang percent ang tinubo nito? Tingnan natin ha. From here, from September 2021 until here. Yung all-time high niya noong October. September, October. Nag-pump yan. Nagtubo ng 1,185%. Oh, grabe yung tinubo. Basta nag-increase yung pera ko ng 1,000. Nag-increase yung, kung naka-invest ka dyan, kung binenta mo sa all-time high niya ng 1,185%, grabing pera yon. Basta yung 1,000 ko naging 70,000. Yung kung hindi ako nagkakamali, my 1,000 pesos became 70,000 until yung sabi ng mentor ko na wag mo muna ibenta, magwa 1 million yan pag naging $1 yung Shiba. Pero sobrang tagal pa nun, dami pang zero dyan, no? Oh, yun. Tapos bumaba hanggang naging, I think 30,000 na lang yung 70,000 ko. Binenta ko na. Ang sinabi ko, hindi, bababa na yan. Hindi ko na antayin maging 1 million yung 1,000 ko. Binenta ko. Tapos, yun. The rest is history. bumaba na yung Shiba. Bumaba hanggang bumalik sa almost sa all-time low niya. Dito. Oh, tingnan mo. Noong June 2023, kasagsagan ng pandemic na ba to? Basta, grabe yung pagbaba ng Shiba. Kala ko i-break niya yung all-time low niya. Pero hindi, bumalik, umangat, bumalik. Dito hanggang naging 0.0045. Yan. Pero hindi niya talaga na-break yung all-time high niya. Diyan lang. Tapos, today, as of now, Shiba is on 0.0, apat na 0, tapos 2429. So, Yun yung story ng Shiba Inu ko. Break niya to. Tignan natin ha. Yung high dito. Itong high na to. Break niya ng ilang years to. 805 calculator 805 divide by 305 365 805 divide by 365 days 2 years from 2021 to 2024. So posible balikan pa niya to, yung all-time high, dating all-time high niya. Kung may position kayo sa Shiba, wag niyo lang ibenta, hold lang. Di naman mawawala yan eh. Hanggang bumalik yan sa, tingin-tingin naman kayo sa chart. Mag-download kayo ng CoinMarketCap sa cellphone nyo, yung app na CoinMarketCap. Tingnan nyo lang yung chart kung nakabalik na ba sa all-time high niya. Kung nakabalik na, benta nyo na. Makakapera na kayo dyan. I think nga mayroon pa akong posisyon dito sa Shiba eh. Hindi ko pa na-withdraw yung lahat. Hindi ko lang alam pero hinahayaan ko lang yan. Hindi ko na pinapakialaman yan. At yun. Saan ba tayo magandang posisyon na bumili ng Shiba? Sa ngayon, tingin ko may gap to dito eh. Yan, babalik yan dyan. Dito banda. Sa price na to. Yan, dyan. Sure ako, babalikan niya yan. Pero hindi natin alam kung kailan. Basta, babalik yan dyan. Or, kung hindi dyan, dito sa previous high niya, o dyan. Previous low din. Naging previous low na niya. Kung babalik yan dyan, pwede kayong bumili. At antayin nyo hanggang bumalik to sa all-time high niya, benta nyo agad. Dito, pag punta niya dyan, pag punta ng coin dyan, bili kayo, antayin nyo na lang babalik siya doon sa all-time high niya. Dito. Yun lang. Yun yung best advice ko. Kung may position kayo dito sa taas, huwag nyo lang ibenta. Babalik pa yan. Trust the process. At yun lang. Yun lang ang review natin. Quick review ng Shiba Inu. Oh, Tosansani, paalam ka. Goodbye. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kung ano pa yung gusto nyong ipa-review na coin or ipa-analyze nyo. Comment down below and see you in the next one. Peace.